Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about paid version of Canva. So right now I am on free version. You can see that is personal, and you can see here free and get Canva Pro. But I'm going to take like my team's account, that is Joseph Prabhu account, and here the system will be changed. That means here the pro version is not showing here. That means I'm already on pro version of Canva. So see, there is one difference, no, many more differences, but one thing is common, that in pro version, like content quality, font quality is totally different, design quality is totally different. So I'm not telling you to just go ahead and get a pro version. Free version is enough, but I'm just going to show you these things. So take the example of any thumbnail. Okay, so you can see here this one is pro, but I will show you how you can make it free, because we have paid version. Just click on this and customize this template. Okay, so earlier it was paid, but we can customize because we have paid version. Okay, in this way you just go ahead and download it. You can download it easily. Okay, yes. So take the example of this one is also pro, live podcast. Okay, wait, click on this, got live podcast. You can simply edit it here, whatever you want to edit, like Neeraj. Your thumbnail is ready. Okay, so I hope you got something in this lesson. So meet you in the next lesson. For now, bye bye.